This 2023 Cherokee WOLFPACK 27PACK10 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Cherokee is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, oven, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, microwave, skylight, slide-out, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Cherokee WOLFPACK 27PACK10 is 8,454 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.